11 Simple Home Remedies for Glowing Skin. Gone are the days when glowing skin was only a woman's top priority. These days everyone yearns for a soft, smoother, and of course, blemish-free glowing skin. And with each of us engulfed in hectic schedules, irregular eating habits, inadequate sleep, and pollution, achieving flawless and picture-perfect, glowing skin has become difficult, if not an impossible task. While there are scores of skin and beauty care products available in the market, nothing beats the goodness and wholesomeness of natural products. So, walk into your kitchen today and create some of these handy and easy to implement home remedies that promise to give you glowing skin. Before going into the video, discover the forgotten power of plants, the Home Remedies Handbook. You'll find 800 plus beneficial plants and remedies in the lost book of herbal remedies. It includes recipes of tinctures, teas, decoctions, essential oils, syrups, salves, poultices, infusions, and many other natural remedies that all of our grandparents used for centuries. What's also special about this book is that it has between 2 and 4 high-definition, color pictures for each plant, and detailed identification guidelines to make sure you've got the right plant. So make sure to check the first link in our description to get the book. Now let's get into today's video. 1. Turmeric. Blessed with antibacterial properties, turmeric is one divine spice that will never let you down. Turmeric is a powerful antioxidant that helps in achieving that wonderful glow. It has curcumin, which is an anti-inflammatory agent and helps to get rid of puffiness. Not only does it give your skin a glow, but turmeric also makes the skin rejuvenated and keeps dull skin at bay. Turmeric not only eliminates free radicals that damage the skin but also enhances collagen production that helps keeps the skin supple and fresh. How to use turmeric for your skin? Mix about half a teaspoon of turmeric powder with a cup of gram flour, chickpea flour. Add enough milk/water and mix well to form a smooth paste. Now, add a few drops of rose water and mix it again. Apply this paste on your face and neck and leave it on till it dries. Then, rinse with cool water. 2. Honey. Honey is a great moisturizer and helps to keep the skin well hydrated. Honey's antibacterial properties help to ward off infections and also reduce blemishes and acne at home. Honey ensures spotless skin. It is rich in bleaching properties and helps in fading of pigmentation and scars. How to use honey for your skin? You can directly apply honey on your face and neck area, but ensure that your skin is clean and damp. Massage for a few minutes, allowing it to get absorbed by the skin. Now, wash off with lukewarm water. 3. Olive oil. Olive oil acts as an antioxidant for the skin. It helps in preventing early aging of the skin. Putting olive oil on the skin after exposure to the sun is known to fight cancer-causing cells. Olive oil is known to repair skin damage. It's not only great for the skin but also gives it a nice shiny glow. How to use olive oil for your skin? Every night before hitting the bed, take a few drops of olive oil and apply them all over your face and neck. Massage in an upward direction for about 2 to 3 minutes. Now, dip a towel in warm water, squeeze off the excess water and place it on your face and neck for about a minute. Dip the towel again in warm water and use it to gently wipe off the excess oil on the face and neck. Now, with another clean towel, dry off the face and neck area. You should also include this step in your monsoon skincare routine. 4. Orange juice. Oranges are known to be brimming with vitamin C and can help in detoxification. A glassful of orange juice daily helps to clean the complexion and rejuvenate the skin in no time. Thanks to its vitamin C and citric acid content, orange also helps to control acne and gives firmness to the skin. How to use orange juice for your skin? So, make it a regular practice to squeeze a few oranges each morning. Add a pinch of salt and some black pepper to this freshly made juice and gulp it down along with other regular breakfast items. Alternatively, you can also take a few pieces of orange peel and grind it with a few drops of rose water to make a smooth paste. Apply this paste all over your face and rinse after 15 minutes with cool water. 5. Milk. Tyrosine, the melanin-controlling hormone, leads to the darkening of the skin. Milk controls the level of tyrosine in the skin and promotes a skin full of glow. Raw milk is one of the easiest accessible ingredients for getting good-looking skin. How to use milk for your skin? You can apply raw milk to your skin or mix it with any other ingredients and form a paste. 6. Besan. This has been a tried and tested agent in homes over the years. Besan hasn't failed when the desire for healthier and shinier skin has come calling. Besan or gram flour acts as a natural exfoliator and helps in removing dead skin cells. You don't need to buy fancy cosmetics or face packs off the shelves. Besan works wonders by bringing to the surface healthier and newer skin. How to use Besan for your skin? Besan is used by mixing it with water, milk or any other ingredients. It is applied like a pack on the skin. Sometimes, sugar is also added to help in exfoliation. 7. Cucumber. Dry skin, chapped skin, dark circles? Include cucumbers not only in your diet but also in your beauty regimen. Cucumber has the same pH level as that of our skin. It helps in replenishing the skin's protective layer, keeps the skin hydrated, thus promoting glowing skin. How to use cucumber for your skin? You can put slices of cucumber on your eyes as they show in all the magazines and televisions. You can also put cucumber in a mixer grinder and apply the juice. 8. Papaya. This one comes with a secret beauty ingredient, papain. Not only is papain good for your liver but works wonders for your skin. This enzyme has skin lightening properties and can lighten blemishes and scars if applied to them. Papaya also acts as a gentle exfoliator and helps in removing inactive protein cells and dead skin cells. It gives wonderful results and keeps the skin looking young and healthy with a beautiful glow. How to use papaya for your skin? Papaya can be put in a mixer grinder too, and the paste can be applied generously on the skin. 9. Aloe vera. Aloe vera is rich in vitamins and antioxidants that are good for our skin. Aloe vera keeps skin glowing and soft. It also prevents acne. Aloe vera application on sunburns helps in faster healing. Aloe vera application on the skin helps to keep skin hydrated, improves elasticity and prevents the development of wrinkles. How to use aloe vera for your skin? You can make aloe vera juice at home or add aloe vera gel to smoothies and other drinks. It can also be applied directly to the skin. Gently scrape out aloe gel from the leaves and apply it to your skin. Leave it for 10 to 15 minutes. Then rinse your skin with cool water and pat dry. 10. Lemon. Lemons are rich in vitamin C and citric acid. Vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant. It boosts collagen production, maintaining the elasticity of the skin. It also helps to lighten our skin tone and moisturize our skin. It works amazingly on darkened knees and elbows. Lemons are antibacterial and prevent infections and acne. They also detox our body. How to use lemons for your skin? Drinking a glass of lemonade every day boosts immunity, detoxifies our body and keeps our skin glowing and hydrated. If you wish to apply lemon on your skin, please perform a patch test initially. Make a solution of lemon juice and water in the ratio of 2 to 3 and gently apply to your skin using cotton. Leave for 10 minutes and wash with cool water. Then pat dry. You can also add few drops of lemon juice to other homemade face masks. 11. Yogurt. Yogurt is rich in lactic acid, which is good for our skin. Yogurt moisturizes our skin and reduces wrinkles and fine lines. It also helps in reducing tan and dark circles. It improves skin elasticity and keeps it glowing. Yogurt also helps in soothing sunburns. It prevents the development of acne. How to use yogurt for your skin? Consuming yogurt is good for our skin. You can also apply it directly on the skin using cotton, leave for 10 to 15 minutes and then wash with cold water. Yogurt can also be used on our skin by making a variety of face packs. Ingredients like lemon, oats, honey, etc. can be used to make face packs with yogurt. And don't forget to check out the Lost Book of Herbal Remedies book, where you'll find 800 plus beneficial plants and remedies on how to recipes of tinctures, teas, decoctions, essential oils, syrups, salves, poultices, infusions, and many other natural remedies that our grandparents used for centuries. What's also special about this book is that it has between 2 and 4 color pictures for each plant and detailed identification guidelines to make sure you've got the right plant. So get your copy by clicking the first link in our description.